Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bach in Bach's Kitchen. Today we're going to make grilled pork the Vietnamese style. This dish you can use in several different ways. One is vermicelli and grilled pork, a staple item on most Vietnamese restaurants. You can also make spring roll with it, and also you can put it in a sandwich, what we call Bánh. I'm going to show you how to do the grilled pork and then the other dishes also. Ingredients for the grilled pork are pork belly, about half a pound of pork belly, a shallot, lemongrass, garlic, ginger, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. Black pepper, sesame oil, and a pound of lean pork ham. So you're going to slice up the pork into about an 1/8 inch thick. I'm also added some lean fresh ham to the pork. So I have chopped up some lemongrass. It's about half a cup of lemongrass, 3/4 cups of shallots, a tablespoon of chopped fresh ginger root, and a teaspoon of or 1 large clove of garlic chopped. This is the basic Vietnamese grill food. A tablespoon of fish sauce, a spoon of oyster sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sesame oil, you just give it a little squirt, not even a teaspoon. About a tablespoon of ground black pepper. And then add the sliced up pork. I would use pork ham or also pork shoulder. Now you just mix it all up, macerate it so that the spice and everything else is totally mixed with the meat, and let it marinate for at least an hour. And what you do is that you get skewers that you soak in water for like 10 minutes so that when you grill it on the barbecue, it doesn't get burned. And what you do is you are going to skewer, kind of like needle the meat onto the skewer and try to cover up the skewer so that it does not get burned. So I preheated the barbecue, and we're going to put on it a few skewers. of the pork. The meat is done. It's it's a golden brown. Don't burn it. So I'm going to turn off the barbecue pit and take it in. So we're going to take the meat off the skewer. For the vermicelli dish, pork and vermicelli, you're going to need the grilled pork, cucumber, romaine lettuce, mint, mung bean sprout, fresh chili pepper, roasted peanut, pickled vegetable, green onions. So you slice up the mint, julienne the cucumber, and slice the romaine lettuce. Get a bowl and mix it all up. The green onions, slice it up, and you're going to saute it in some oil to put over the vermicelli. Heat up the oil in a small pot and add the sliced green onion. Just to saute it until it's fragrant, and that's all you need to do. To prepare a bowl of grilled pork vermicelli, you are going to put some of the salad at the bottom of the bowl. Add some of the boiled vermicelli. Follow the package to get the vermicelli boiled. Remember, at the end, after it's cooked, you need to rinse it with clear water to rinse off the starch on it. We are going to add on top of this the grilled pork. Add some pickled vegetables. Some of the green onions that you saute in oil. Sprinkle some roasted peanut. If you want to, add some of the fresh crushed chili pepper. And spoon some prepared fish sauce. Fish sauce is for spring rolls made with the grilled pork. What you need is the rice paper, some romaine lettuce, mint, pickled vegetables, cucumber, grilled pork, boiled vermicelli, and roasted peanut. So what you do is you wet the rice paper thoroughly and let it soften. You can see that, you know, it's soft now. The normal state is kind of harsh. So in order to wrap it, you need to soak the rice paper and put it on a plate. First, lay out the romaine lettuce, add the mint, the boiled vermicelli, sliced cucumber, pickled vegetables, the grilled pork, some roasted peanut, and what you do is that you fold the two sides over, and then you roll it down like a burrito, but tighter than a burrito. Cover everything up with the top and tightly roll it. There you go. You have a spring roll with grilled pork. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I will provide you with the recipe at the, in the description so that you can copy and paste it into a Word document or print it out, whatever you need to do. And bon appetit, and see you soon.